Today, you will learn how to put a draft watermark in Microsoft Word. First, go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. On the right side, click the Watermark option. You will see many built-in watermark styles. Simply click on Draft. That's it. The draft watermark is now added behind your document text. If you want to edit your watermark with custom text, go to the Design tab and click Watermark. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, select Custom Watermark. Choose the Text Watermark option. Enter your custom text, such as your company name or specific message. Customize the font, size, color, and layout, diagonal or horizontal. Click Apply to see the watermark appear on your document. If you want to remove it later, go back to Design, Watermark, Remove Watermark. Very simple. Now you know how to put a draft watermark in Word in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe for more easy Word and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.